Alright guys, I'm about to shoot a Remington 870 12 gauge off the shelf Federal double-aught buckshot without the flight control at 7 yards, all headshots. Let's get it done. Alright guys, let's see what we got real quick. Now as you can see, staple did come out. I'm going to call that good to go. Of course, if I would have had the flight control, it would have went a lot tighter. Flight control would have condensed everything into this yellow ring right here. But this is still getting the job done. So get some good ammunition. Make sure you pattern it for your gun. But I think somebody needs to call Kenny Loggins and Tom Cruise, because I'm in the danger zone.